Bro, oh my God. Got him. Good. Good. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. Oh, right there in front of me, y'all. Look at that. Let's go, frog. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm about to send this to bro. Oh, I'm about to send this to bro, guys. Bro, definitely got to see this. Nice one. Get a release. Do not get that on record. Look who back, y'all.
Oh yeah, what's up? Yeah, yeah.
Okay. God, that's another little pound. I'm telling you. Come on. You got that stuff. Oh yeah. God. It's a brim shoot. See out here. I think I'm about to cast over here myself, huh? I'm about to say, boy, you had one? Boy, you should have been out here when it wasn't that lily padded out here. They need to get somebody pick these pads up. Boy, they pick these pads up, we'll catch so much fish. Oh. I'm talking about we'll probably see the biggest brims of our lives right out here. Cause it's so untouched out here, man. Oh my God, that's a nice one. Oh my God, yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, got them pads. Oh, got them pads. Oh, yup. Letting him work his way out. Oh, yeah, baby. That's a nice one. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. That's about a 2.
Yeah, that's 2 pounds.
God. Oh, boy. Got him. Got one. Got a nice one. Get him. Come on. You must got it. Oh my God. Come on. Get him. Get him, baby. Get him, baby. You got a bass? Off a worm? What? Off a worm, dog. Come on. Come on. Let's get this up in here. Come on. We ain't going to rough him in here. We just going to count him. Let's go. Hold him up, baby. That's a picture.
I barely had him.
We both caught a good one. You don't look like you weigh more than mine, though.
I don't know, sir.
Let's go.